Welcome, boys and girls. I'm Nana Victoria, and I'm so glad that you joined me today. I'm so excited about what we're going to read today. I am too. Oh, hey, Petunia. Hi. I'm so excited that you joined. I am too. What, Petunia, you need to tell everybody who you are. Hi, I'm Petunia. And I'm so excited that Nana Victoria is going to read today. Yay! Petunia, I'm excited too. What you going to read? I'm going to read about animals and trucks. Yay! I like animals and trucks. I know you do. Is this your book? Yes, this is my book. Did you write it? Yes, I did. I did write it. Oh, I love your stories. Nana, let's read. Okay, I'm going to begin. All right, get ready, everyone. Here she comes. Yay! Can I watch? Yes, you can. All right, boys and girls. This is Animals and Trucks by Victoria Werneth. That's Nana Victoria. Yes, it is. This is the color white. I see little white bunnies going hoppity hop hop. Watch the big white horse run cloppity clop clop. Around the corner, here comes the big white garbage truck. Let's call the two white puppies. Here, buddy. Here, Buck. Come here, duppies. Yeah, we gotta call them, don't we? Yeah. The color orange. I like orange. Hey, big orange dump truck. I can see you're hauling dirt in the heat. Orangutan monkey dancing to the beat. Da 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 da. He's dancing. I know. Do you see the big orange cement truck parked in the street? Yeah, it's right there. It's right there. Yes, you're right, Petunia. The color green. Oh, I like green. Cover your ears. The big green monster truck is here. Ooh. Leaping green lizard is crawling ever so near. You see the lizard? I don't like lizards. I don't either, Petunia. Crank up the tractor, big green John Deere. The color brown. Giddy up, go, brown horse. You see the horse right there? I love horses. I do too, Petunia. Moo, moo, says the big brown cow. Can you find the brown UPS truck now? The UPS truck brings me presents. I know, Petunia. Wow, there's the UPS truck. There's the brown cow. And there's the brown horse. Okay. Okay, let's go. The color pink. Whoa, I love pink. I'm pink. I love pink. You are pink, Petunia. Let's see what pink is today. Yay! Here comes the pink ice cream truck. Mmm, yummy, yummy to my tummy. Yummy, yummy to my tummy too. Do I see a pink dolphin jumping out of the water? Now that's really funny. Dolphins jumping? Oh, I like that. Hundreds of pink flamingos. They're dancing and a-singing. There's sweet little Miss Pinky Pig. Why, she's smiling and a-grinning. She's smiling at me. And you too. Yes, she is. Look at her teeth showing. She is just a-smiling. And this is the color purple. Color purple says, prickly purple starfish laying in the sand. I like starfishes. I do too, Petunia. Do you see the purple butterfly landing on her hand? Oh. Breaker 19, purple on the dime, 18-wheeler truck, trucking down the line. A purple trucker? Wow. Yes, I've never seen one either. Elephants 1, elephants 2, playing in the water, squirting me, squirting you. Big, look at those elephants right there, Petunia. Oh, they're big. They are big. Big gray parrot is watching me. He's watching you. Tell me, Mr. Parrot, what you gonna do? Look at Mr. Gray Parrot. Oh, he's nice. I know. And when you're broke down, feeling really blue, Mr. Gray Tow Truck, he's a-comin' after you. Oh, wow. Now here's Spider-Man. I like monster trucks. I do too. I love to go to monster truck places. I'm Spider-Man truck. I'm up, up, and away. You can't catch me. That's all I got to say. They go fast. Yes, they do, Petunia. I'm a long, slippery salmon, and I'm swimming your way. Are you going to catch me or let me get away? Fishes are slippery. Yes, they are slippery. They're hard to catch. I know they are. They're very slippery, Petunia. Who's the big deal? Why, it's me, Sammy the Seal. I eat big fish, little fish. That's my smelly meal. Pew. They're stinky. Yeah, they are stinky, Petunia. You are right. Train, boats, and planes. I like that. Look up, point high. I'm looking up. No, look up in the sky. Oh, see them are the planes flying high in the sky. Floating on top of the water is the boat you want to drive. It's faster than a bumblebee buzzing around their hive. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, they're fast. Fast, like fast. Yes, they're real fast, Petunia. Choo-choo, choo-choo, makes the sound of the long black train. He runs hard, he runs fast. Smokey is his name. Look at that train. Oh my goodness, it's going fast. Choo-choo, choo-choo. That's right, Petunia. Oh, let's see, lions, tigers, and bears. Oh my. I'm the king of the jungle, and I usually walk in pairs. Can you point to the lions with the big fluffy hair? I can. They're right there. Right there. Big old lions. Big old lions. Huh. I have stripes on my back and my legs too. I'm a big mama tiger with 3 little tigers too. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 little tigers. That's right. Whoop-de-dee and whoop-de-doo. Don't look now, but there's a big mama bear. She's looking at you. Look at that mama bear. Ooh, I wouldn't want to go to her. I know, she's pretty big, Petunia. Oh, this is so exciting. What am I? I live in the sea. I'll help you. I live in the sea. Thank you, Petunia. I live in the sea, and I run fast on the sand. I will pinch you with my pincers if you touch me with your hand. What am I? Oh, I know. What are we? What is it, Petunia? A crab. You're right. Ooh. I am big and I am dark blue. I'm bigger than a Mack truck and they call me Shamu. What am I? Oh, I know. What am I? A whale. Right there. Yes, right there. You're right, Petunia. Yay. You're right, a big whale. Now, oh boy, I have many arms coming out of my head. What? Out of my head? That's right. Coming out of my head, I squirt out ink and make the sea floor my bed. What? That's right. What am I? Let me see. Oh, I got it. What is it, Petunia? An octopus. An big octopus, right? That's right. Yay! You got it right, Petunia. Ooh, an octopus right there. I see him. I look for my meal in the deep blue sea. Can you guess this one, Petunia? I am huge and I am long. My sharp teeth is all you see. What am I? Oh, I know. What is it, Petunia? A shark. A big shark. Ooh, yes it is, Petunia. You're right. Now, let's look at this. Oh, he's funny. I know he is. Oh, Mr. Leopard. There's been a spattle of spots all over your face. I know, Petunia, he's funny, isn't he? He really is. Look at the spots all over Mr. Leopard, all over his face. Laugh out loud, ha ha hee. You're sprouting horns, dear. You look like a tree. That deer really looks like a tree, Nana Victoria. Yes, he does. Look at all his horns. It looks just like a tree. He's funny. Yes, he is. Yikes, double yikes, Mr. Big Gorilla Man. Tell me, how hard is it to walk on your hands? You see the gorilla? He's big. Yes, he is. He's really big. But he walks on his hands. Can you do that? No, I can't walk on my hands. Wow. And that's the end. I hope you enjoyed seeing I'll help you. All the animals. Thank you, Petunia. You're welcome. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the animals and the trucks, the whales, the kittens, the planes, and the bucks. This book was created especially for you, so you could see our world and what God created for you. Jesus loves you. Jesus loves you. He loves me. And I'm so glad that you came today. I love that book, Nana Victoria. I'm so glad you did, Petunia. I did too. And so today, come back and see Nana Victoria. I want to. Can we read another book? Yes, we're going to read another book. Come back, boys and girls. Yay! Come back and see Nana Victoria as we read more books. This book was The Animals and Trucks by Victoria Werneth. Have a great day. Have a great day. Bye, everyone. Bye.